Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of BIZTOOls. Welcome to this overview of Accountant's Minute, edition 389. And the theme is your competitive edge in advisory services. And we're featuring the December edition of Business Plus. Business Plus is the newsletter which BIZTOOls has been producing for the past 17 years, that our subscribers badge and send to their clients so that there's a communication. There's a summary of professional services that accountants can provide to SME clients that looks very closely at financial and commercial matters. Some taxation, but not much. There are other people producing very good taxation material. We've tended to concentrate on the other aspects of advisory services, financial and commercial matters. In each edition of Business Plus, we include 4 to 6 articles so that we try to cover the very wide community that is involved in SMEs, from startups to people that have been operating a business for 6 to 12 months, for others that have been operating now for 2 or 3 years and starting to look at other opportunities, maybe to expand their business, maybe to acquire another business, so they'll be looking at purchasing a business. Maybe they're wanting to sell and have a rest and start again, which some people still do and do so very successfully. Or they could be wanting to scale up and grow bigger by undertaking research and development. And perhaps they're interested in raising capital. And in that case, an understanding of how Section 708 of the Corporations Act works, or early stage innovation company capital raising, or crowdsourced funding equity raising is subject matters that they're interested in. And all this is going to require a business plan and predictive accounting reports, looking at budgets, cash flow forecasts, projected balance sheets. And along the way, some introduction to corporate governance and the activities of board of directors and board of advice will feature in our articles. So that's the reason for bringing to your attention today the Business Plus, and we're gladly making available a copy of the December Business Plus together with the supporting material. They're actually papers or forms that are contained within BIZTOOls, so that you can view the material which we have and understand how you could use it within your firm. Because what I suggest is that you read the Business Plus before you send it out, so you're familiar with what we are promoting in that edition. So if you get a phone call talking to you about the Export Market Development Grant, you understand that that's a featured article in this month's edition of Business Plus, so a client may be ringing you to talk to you about it. Hopefully you've read our material and the reference material, if we have supplied any for that article, so that you are fully familiar with the concept. So you can talk to your clients. And what you're looking for is their feedback. Are they interested in that? Would they like to come and talk to you about it? Because it's when they show their interest that is the invitation for you from your client, for you to submit a proposal to them, for you to be able to undertake that work for them. And they will then gladly pay you the fee for that service, because that is new information that they are seeking, which will help them better run their businesses. I see your whole role as being the CFO of your client. Might only be relatively a small business, and you might be only working a fraction of your time over the year to supply these services, but you are the conduit of information to your client. Your client will have all sorts of what-if type questions that occur to them, just like they occur to a CEO in a public company. And I work for a CEO at a public company as the Chief Financial Officer, and I can assure you day after day there were all sorts of questions. What-ifs. Could we do this? Could we change that? Don't you think your SME clients have the same thoughts go through their minds? But who do they turn to? They haven't got an employed full-time accountant. Most of them anyhow. Who do they turn to? They should be able to turn to you And the whole purpose of the Business Plus newsletter is to encourage them to do so. So please read our Business Plus for December 2024. You are most welcome, and indeed I would love you to send the edition with your firm name badging on top of it to your clients and prospects, and have a look at the feedback you get. Do you get phone calls? Do you get inquiries? Do you get people sending you emails and saying, well, can you tell us more about some of these materials that's in your newsletter? Because that's how your clients will view it. And incidentally, if you subscribe to any of the ESS BizTools top 4 packages, you will automatically receive the Business Plus newsletter sent to you on the second Friday of each month for you to badge and send to your clients. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Send me an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au. I hope you enjoy this complimentary edition of Business Plus for December 2024. Stay safe. Have a great day. Goodbye.